It's the third week of summer break, and I'm looking for fun things to do with my kids. Today, we're heading to our local public library. But first, I'm making some pocket sandwiches for lunch. We ran out of flatbread, so that's the first thing to cook. I'm also making quick pickled onions for hubby and me. He's working from home today, so we'll have lunch together as a family. For the filling, I'm mashing up chickpeas and tuna. It's a great way to sneak some beans into my kids' diet because it ends up tasting just like regular tuna salad, which they love. I just have to make sure to mash the chickpeas really well so there are no beans in sight. According to my kids' logic, as long as there's no round food, there are no beans. You did?
And then I'm full. Mama, look what I made.
Oh, that's so cute. My kids will likely get hungry while we're out, so I'm also packing some extra sandwiches for our outing. It's so pretty for it. Look.
Mom, do you want to a library?
Not like this one. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah, I'm holding two.
It's a bit of a drive, but it's totally worth it. The library is beautiful inside, and my kids have a ton of books to check out, all for free. Alright. What? Kind of mushed around here. As expected, the kids got hungry, so we're having a little cart picnic before heading home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this one. See you in the next one.